Hey guys, this is Candy and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, glad to have you on board. If you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back. Alright, so today I wanted to show you, this is a talk through video. This is not a tutorial. Obviously my hair is already done, but I wanted to just show you guys, sometimes you have people who are actually looking on YouTube to see what a particular hair looks like, what a completed style will look like. They don't necessarily want to find out how to execute the process. They already know how to braid. They just want to know how the brand looks, what the color looks like, what the length is, and all of these niceties. So I thought I would do this one for you guys if that is what you're looking for. So today, yes, I am rocking this box braids, super long, pretty much down to the waist, or a little bit past the waist if you ask me. It is the 52 inches, and I believe 52 is when it is stretched all the way out, but if you fold it for installation, it's like 26 inches. Yeah. So this is what the actual hair looks like. It is the Bobbi Boss, and it is their Featherlight pre-stretched hair, and my apologies, it's actually 54 inches, so that would make it 27 inches when you fold the hair. Yeah, and this is how it's packaged with 3 different bundles, like such. And it's essentially you're getting 3 packs of hair in one package, so I feel like that's a great deal. And I actually used, for this install, I used 2 whole packages of these, which would make it 6 little individual bundles, and I actually used a half of one of these, so it's pretty much 2 packs and then a half of one of the bundles. All right, and it took me maybe, let me not go there because I definitely didn't take notes. I did it over 2 days, but I didn't do it continuously, so it's hard to say how long the style will take. But I just want to talk to you a little bit about the hair itself. Shout out to Bobbi Boss for sending me this hair. This is not a sponsored video, but they went ahead and sent me the hair so that I could try it and just give them a feedback. I'm a part of their stylist circle, and so yes. All right, so let's get into it. First of all, the texture. Let's talk about the texture of this hair. You guys see how the hair looks right now? It has not yet been hot watered. Let me just put that out there. It's not yet hot watered, and so it still has a little bit of movement to it. It still has a little bit of softness, shine. I actually could rock the hair like this if I wanted to without even hot watering the hair. That is how soft the texture is, and I was pretty stoked about that. The texture of the Bobbi Boss pre-stretched hair, I feel like it's a little bit different from the regular Bobbi Boss hair that I am used to using. And I feel like the texture of the Bobbi Boss hair blends perfectly with my 4B hair. This hair is giving me blown out natural hair vibe. And so yes, it works perfectly. And I can assure you, if you have curlier hair, hair with this texture would also work for you, because you actually want something with some amount of texture to it so that the hair doesn't slip easily. All right, so I am super duper happy about the texture of the hair. It's not plasticky at all, not rough. It is just soft. All right, and the color that I used for this look is the T1B30. And this is actually a ombre look. The hair is blended with 1B and 30 at the top, and then it transitions into a more solid color, which is the number 30 at the end. The color is beautiful, and I believe that the color payoff was very accurate. I love that about the hair. Yes, And as you can tell, I'm feeling the length. I usually don't go for longer braid styles. However, I'm really feeling this one, you guys. I'm feeling it, yes. All right, let's talk about trimming. Usually, especially if you're a stylist, once you're done installing a style, the game is not over, okay? You still have to think about trimming, and you have to think about hot watering, and so the trimming can be a pain. If the hair is super frizzy, then the trimming can take you upwards of 30 minutes, sometimes an hour, if you want to be very meticulous about it, right? So for this hair, I can assure you guys, it was not a lot of frizzing at all. I went ahead and trimmed it up already, but it didn't have as much frizzing as I have experienced with other brands in the past, or even with the regular Bobbi box itself. I find that the pre-stretched hair doesn't have as much frizzing and doesn't need as much trimming as I am used to in the past, alright? One thing that I can say about the hair is when I am installing it, I found that after I'm braiding for maybe 2 to 3 inches, I find that the hair starts to get tangled at the very end. So you're braiding and the end of the hair is also tangling, and I find that that happens a lot with braiding hair. But I quickly realized that as a tip and a technique to overcome that issue, what I do is, like, after maybe 3 or 4 rhythms of braiding, I just run my hand through the entire length of the hair. 3 or 4 more rhythms of braiding, then you just run your hand through the hair rather, and that prevents it from getting tangled at the end. But that was my only issue, but like I said, I quickly found a means of overcoming that, so that wasn't a problem at all. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys how this hair looks. They're pre-stretched, feather light, and this hair is super light. I can tell you, it feels uber light. Yeah, so as I said before, I just wanted to show you guys the hair. I am going to show you in a separate video how the hair looks hot watered, and I'm gonna just do a tutorial as to how to hot water long braiding hair safely. All right, so thank you guys for watching this one. Go ahead and show me some love, like, rate, comment, share, and pray. Talk to you in the next one.